board roof systems. What I have here in front of you is two simple models, very simple models, in which you see the plywood roof of one, in which this is the normal installation on a mobile home or a home or whatever. Plywood is laid in 8-foot joints along the roof line, and you got 4-foot seams as you go up the roof. Our roof system, when it's all finished, this is the direction in which it will be laid. It will be laid with 4-foot along the side and an 8-foot seam. The original one has seams at the 4, 8, 12, and then so on direction, while this one you only have one seam. Okay, you have one seam here in the center. This one has 3. The importance of this is that we will be using a lot of adhesive in our product, and by having installed the roof in this plane, we eliminate the use of adhesive and thus save a lot of labor on our part. And of course you also eliminate the number of seams. The other thing what we're going to be doing is we're not going to be striking the plywood like it's done here, but we're going to be installing it in a stacked mode. The reason here is that water from here going to here will only have one seam that it has to jump. And the other reason is that the seams will line up, and with the seams lining up, you'll see down the road that we install a trim package over our Davy board roof that will basically be the waterproofing along that seam.